How's it going, gents? Here we are today, going for a night dirt bike ride. Oh shit, that's really bright. Wow, this is great. I have a light bar attached to my freaking helmet, and it's a little bit facing down, but I can kind of see. It is so heavy having a light bar on my helmet. Oh man, I don't know where we're going. Shit, we're mega stuck already. We got deer. Come on, boys. Coming for you, baby. That's cool. There's so much deer around here in Mansville now. So we got two 10-watt spotties on the front of the WR, plus the headlight, which has been replaced with a 15-watt spotty off my Jeep because I broke the headlight on it. And then I've got a 15-watt light bar on the visor of my helmet, which runs directly 12 volt to the actual freaking bike. And I put that on there because a lot of the times you'll be stuck mid-track at night and you can't see what's to the left and the right of you. But now, like, I can look to the side and you can see as well on the camera, hopefully. Everything actually is illuminated by my freaking helmet light bar. But subscriber comment on one of my videos telling me to go out and do a nighttime video, so here's to you, bud. It's so hard to see. It is around this corner. There she is. There's the moon. Brendan, WR250R. Gnarly single track through a pine forest. Let's go. At night time. Oh my god, this is freaking creepy as shit. Oh my god, this is incredible. Whoa! Frick, you can't see what's coming up ahead. Oh, log. Oh shit. Oh frick. There's so many switchbacks on this this little track. Whoa. I'm already getting warm. It's freezing right now because it's like middle of the night. I'm already warmed up. This helmet is so heavy. Putting a 15-watt spotlight light bar on your helmet, not great for making your helmet heavy as sheesh. So this is a pine plantation, and it's like it's pretty much a mountain bike track through here. Very small single track, and it's absolutely great fun. Doubles back on itself a whole bunch of times. Deep ruts. It's kind of sandy because it's so dry here at Lake Eildon. Oh, so good. I thought, let's come out here at night time, man. Whew. Oh man. Who needs a fire when you can just bloody come out and do single track in the middle of the night? Yes. You probably can't tell, but it's actually really steep. Really steep. Actually goes up this hill. Not actually finding it that hard to follow the track. I thought it was going to be impossible to follow. Doubles back and it goes hardcore downhill. Stand up, look forward, let my helmet light show the way. Yes. Sink into this rut, go around, look ahead. So good, man. Ah, done. That was quick. Whew. Yeah, like this is the end. I'm gonna take a photo. So this is how it connects. Just disconnect that, no more headlight, and then get a shot. Oh yeah, you can see. Yeah, just like that. That's great. Go. Woo! So hard to see the terrain. We've got to do some hills and shit at the end of it as well. Freak. This is gonna be gnarls. Alright. Let's go, brother. Oh, I really wish I could have my goggles on for this. It's just, you've just got no idea where the track is. Like, does it go right there? I don't know. I can kind of work out where the track is now, but then it just gets to, who knows. Hopefully I can kind of follow where I went today. Saw a whole bunch of deer here today as well. I really don't want to run into a deer. Alright, this actually seems better. Like I'm onto a better track than last time. Oh no, now we're going to go over these logs. And around these. And then maybe over here. Then around there, there's a whole bunch of logs here. Over. Oh, I don't have a visor down. Brick. Close my eyes. And... oh! Brick! Maybe here. Oh no! I was so lost. This looks like a track. Yes! Oh, I got so many sticks on me. Ah, kangaroos! Shit! Kangaroos! Ah, yeah! How you going? Log, log, log. Lost. Definitely not that way. Follow the kangaroos. The kangaroos know where to go. Follow the kangas. Here we go. Here we go. Alright. Log, log, log. Alright, now we're neutral. Go! There's the track. I think. Yes. A big log. Straight over. Boom. Double log. I'm going underneath that. And over here. Oh, I've got no idea where I'm going. This looks alright though. This looks like it could be it. This'll do. I mean, who knows? Freaking looks so different at night time. That moon is huge though. Oh yes, this is it. And you go up through the bushes. Pray there's something on the other side. Yes, alright, bit of speed, Tom. I'll find the way. Freaking hell. Underneath you. Oh no! Oh no! This tree just took out a spotty. Like my the cable ties that hold my spotlight on.
On your hat? On your head?
No, on my freaking light.
Earlier today they snapped off.
Damn. That's right, I'm down to one spotty.
I got cable ties running to a bush.
Nah, she's alright. I just need, we're almost at the end, man.
Go.
Plenty of spotlight left. Ow. More speed I need. More speed. Oh, I'm one spotty down. That did make a massive difference. I can't see shit now. Whoa, where am I going? I'm fully relying on like the head torch and shit now. Whoa. Hey, this way. Under you, around you. Jesus Christ. I got no visor on either because my visor's tinted, so I don't want to go over that. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Yeah, oh shit. Underneath. Don't take out my head torch, I need you. We've got a massive hill at the end of this shit. Oh yeah. Yes! That's it. Far out. Oh no, my spotty. Brennan's lost. I gotta plug in I need my head torch, I can't see. Perfect time for head torch. Need to see there's the track. I can see ya! Oh, I'm so warm now. Brendan, I'm coming! right, champ. Yeah. Yeah, it gets really hard there.
Like 3 options, I'm like, oh, I could end up going a real long way.
God, I'm happy on a little WR. Turning around there on a big bike would have been tricky. So I just lost the spotty, but luckily they are just cable tied on. So I've got 3 new cable ties on there, they're nice and tight, and she is good to roll, ready to keep on
man, let's
flowing.
keep going.
Let's go, brother. Hell yeah. Oh, a bit overgrown here, eh? Oh, come on, Brendan. Jesus. Go, 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 go. Got the spotlights back on, repaired. A couple of cable ties. So we're back to full illumination. We're going left. Up the freaking gnarly. Without a run up. Straight up it. Look at that moon. Far out. And then usually we go, do we go across like this? Geez, that's the thing, I can't see any of the landmarks or anything. All right, we have quite the hill. Let's go, baby. Go WR. Whoa, holy crap, this is a hill. Go, brother. Vlog. Oh no, this is not the freaking hill at all. This is great, man. Character building. I'm doing it for that subscriber who told us to come out here and get lost and get stuck. Oh shit, I got no idea where we're going now. This is not where the track's meant to go. Oh, Jesus. Oh my God, I can't see anything. Alright. So this is where we go back up, I think. Yes, yeah, back on the road. Yes. To the summit. At night time. Let's go. Nothing but hill climbs, baby. So like I got the head torch because when I'm jumping and wheeling and stuff, I can't see anything. Oh, freak. Probably shouldn't be going this quick. There's a lot of kangaroos around. But it's so much fun. Yeah, brother! Alright, gents. We did 2 single tracks. We're about to hit the summit. Oh, I did not see that corner whatsoever. One last little uphill, and then we're at the top. We can look out over Lake Eildon at night time, see all the campfires. It's Easter weekend, so everyone's up here. One last little blast. Go, 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 go. Yes, here we are at the summit. And turn around. Oh, look at all those campfires. That is amazing. All these little orange lights. That's so cool.
Whoa.
That's awesome.
Dude, it'll never come off on camera though.
Yeah, no, you'll never see that on camera.
It's like stars and
Wow.